Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here, going to run through the trade with you on this 12th day of September 2025. And we're going to go to our old friend, our strong candle indicator. And boy, this is a beauty right here. This is probably the smallest one we've seen since we've been doing these videos, but it is ultimately very, very powerful. The market's moved up here, hit a plateau like a rocket, and now the momentum is going to carry this sucker way far short. So the first thing I do is I look for a PVI and I expect the next candles to be around 50 to 70 ticks in length. So I go to my ATM and I'll get a 16 tick first target, 31 tick second target, and a 61 tick runner. So let's go ahead and see. I want this just to push up first and give me my retrace. Then we'll stick the order on and go. So here's how it took place in the room today. Get my I need a retrace though, because we don't really do them without retraces. Usually put a cover order on, but not in this particular case. There we go. That's the push up we're looking for. Just looking for an additional failure. Then we get picked up on this, and it should, it not should. I know it will go very, very nicely. So here we go. The strong candle indicator from Samurai Day Trading. You can only get it at Samurai Day Trading, and man, it's worth its weight in gold if you know how to use it properly. All right, we don't have to go very far. Just go ahead and put your stop where it belongs. This may be the lowest risk we've had on any trade we've done on our trades of the day. We'll speed it up a little bit because the market is a little bit slow. Herky jerky today. It was really weird. It was contract rollover, had all kinds of weird things happening in the charts. But this one is going to go as planned. First target's out. We de-risk the trade completely. See if we can catch our runners. I may speed up a little bit because I know this takes more than one candle to complete. So we'll go slightly. We'll go 6 times the market tempo. So we'll just let it run out. And there's our first candle will be done. Now, this is going to be a strong candle as well. If I wanted to, I could go ahead and re-enter the trade. It doesn't retrace though, so I don't think it gives us an opportunity to get in unless we use a cover order. And on the second trades, I'm not going to use a cover order. All right, that's one. And we may even go into another candle because the market's still pretty slow. You can do what you want with your stop. We usually leave it where it is, but if you want to just combine this current candle, there you go, it's out. So that trade took about 10 minutes to complete and was worth 630 US dollars. So if you want to learn how to make 630 US dollars in 10 minutes, come and join us in the live trading room at samuraidaytrading.com. That's samuraidaytrading.com. And we look forward to seeing you next time. So God bless. See you then.